SoundPEATS has been requested to be reviewed so much on this channel that I've grown a liking to the brand. They offer great quality on their earphones, even on a budget price point. I've only tried two of their budget earphones, the TrueFree 2 and the TrueAir, and I'm already impressed on how well they produce earphones on a budget category. In this video, we'll be doing a review on their budget take for an Airpods alternative. Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol, my name is Joen, and this is my review of the SoundPEATS TrueAir. Happy New Year everyone! 2020 has been a rough year for this generation, but at last, it has ended. Pero not gonna lie, di naman nababase ang mga mangyayari sa taon na naroon ka. It won't magically be better dahil lang natapos ang isang taon. Kasi nga, time is just a social construct at hindi nyo kailangan dapat pag-aksehan ng oras yung mga ganong klase ng charot lang. So I've been using the SoundPEATS TrueAir for a month now, and it really sets the bar for in-ear earphones. It clearly is not just an Airpods alternative, it is so much more even for its budget price. By the way, if you'll enjoy this video, a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be remarkable. Let's talk about its design. What can we say more? It looks like the Apple Airpods, except it has a thicker stem and only one microphone on it. For an in-ear earphones, it actually fits well on my ears. It's not as seamless as the feeling on earbuds, but it's not quite irritating at the least. But of course, using this for long periods of time would get your ears aching. Or is it just mine? Kasi nananakit siya pag sa akin. Yan. While comfort-wise, it is lacking because the earphones are still hanging by your ears. Although if you'll be using it while laying in bed, the sound quality does not differ compared to when you're standing up. Alam naman kasi natin na may instances sa isang earphones na nagbabago ang tunog kapag iba ang posisyon mo. It runs on a smart touch controls with 10 controls including increase or decrease volume and forward or backward music playback. It's really not that hard to determine in this type of design where to touch the earphones. It will always be at the top of the stem. Left one is responsive but the right one has its delays. It's good na rin, I guess, to prevent accidental touch controls, pero at this type of design naman ng earphones ay pwede mo naman silang hawakan sa stem to adjust it to your ears. The case however is silky and glossy. It feels smooth when held. It is a little slippery, but with the shape of the case, it is quite a grip to your hands. Opening them up is entirely easy, even with one hand. Also, the earphones won't easily fall off from the case kahit napaalugin mo pa siya. Snappy din ang feeling when opening and closing them up. It is quite loud nga when you're closing the case. For its durability, I'd say it is on a high level. The thickness of the stem grants it greater sturdiness and could be resistant to drops. But still, avoid dropping your earphones if you can't afford to lose them. The feel of the entire earphones are plasticky, but it does not lose its heft. The earphones last about 4 hours of use when listening to music on max volume. Charges them up for an hour and a half, while the case charges up for 2 hours. The light indicator inside of the case will lit up once the case is being charged and turns off when it's fully charged. It will lit up green when it's on an appropriate battery level and lights yellow-green when it's below 20%. The case charges up the earphones for 5 to 6 charges before the case battery runs out. Now for its sound quality. This has to be the best in-ear earphones I've tried. I know that there are a lot of in-ear earphones that I haven't tried yet, pero for the meantime, this one takes the cake. I love how well balanced its sound signature is. Nothing is exceeding, nothing is lacking as well. The highs and lows are not overlapping one another. Bass might have a shallow depth, but it is as stumpier as any other earphones. I actually love how natural its bass performance is. It doesn't sound digitally enhanced. What do I mean by this? Yung feeling na parang bass boosted yung bass. Sa kanya is tama lang yung timpla, hindi siya ganun kalalim, pero mararamdaman mo pa rin yung presensya niya. Great audio mixture as well, great audio distinction, instrumentals are well distinguished. Guitars and drums are not mushed together as some other earphones do. Its max volume is not as destructive as the other earphones. It doesn't give out piercing sounds on its high frequencies. For calls and recordings, I have used them on messenger calls. It sounded alright considering there is only one microphone when usually at this type of earphones there should be two. I am expecting it to be great because of where the microphone is placed. It's right at the bottom of the stem where your mouth is directed. Therefore, it sounded clear, noises are truly reduced, but the voice is a little weak volume-wise. Overall, if you're looking for an Airpods alternative on the budget price point, this is surely not a bad option. For the price of 1,499 pesos, you'll have great TWS earphones on a Type-C port, long battery life, aptX codec on a budget price, perfectly balanced soundstage, and a natural and casual overall feel to these earphones. And that's it for my review of the SoundPEATS TrueAir. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these earphones. Kung ano bang opinion nyo, kung kailangan na bang tigilan ng mga companies ngayon gumawa ng mga Airpods alternative or para mga Airpods knock-off dahil ayun nga. Pero sobrang significant na rin kasi ng design na nagagawa ng iPhone. Syempre iPhone na yan. Ano ba masasabi natin dyan? Syempre napakagaling ng iPhone eh. So yun lang guys. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification notifications bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. Ayun guys, pasensya na kayo, isang buwan akong nawala. Siyempre, nagpahinga tayo, kailangan rin natin ng bakasyon, yung mga ganyan. At ayun, malapit na tayo mag-isang taon sa paggawa ng content. At yun, medyo hindi pa natin nakukumpleto yung watch hours na kinakailangan natin. So, sa mga di pa nanonood mga aking videos dyan, panoorin nyo lang palagi, i-play nyo yung mga playlist, i-stream nyo lang lahat. Kahit di nyo na panoorin, hayaan nyo lang siyang mag-play sa mga devices nyo. Okay na yun. Charot lang. So yun lang guys, stay safe everyone. Masyado na naman marami. May bago nang strand ng COVID-19 na nakapasok dito sa ating bansa. At ayun, sobrang tanga pa rin ng ating gobyerno. Wala pa rin silang ginagawa. Panay diversion lang ang ginagawa nila. Lagi nilang nililigaw yung atensyon ng taong bayan sa mga kagaguhan na pinagagagawa nila. Akala naman nila hindi nalitaw yung pagiging incompetent nilang lahat. So ayun nga guys, kung DDS ka pa rin up until now, magbago ka na, mag-isip-isip ka naman, gamitin mo naman yung utak mo, tama na yung pagiging brainwash, uminom ka ng tubig. So yun guys, see you sa next video. Bye-bye!